Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. We were doing lesson 3, useful animals, last time. Now we were reading about the things we get from animals. Now we have read about the milk, meat, and eggs which we get from different animals. Now other things that we get from animals we are going to read now. Okay, so let's begin. Other things we get from animals. Animals give us many other useful things. Look at the pictures and write their names. They give us wool or fur. So you can see three animals given here. I've written names for you: sheep, rabbit, and yak. So you can also write in your books. See from here the spellings and write in your book with pencil. Okay, so these are the things which we get from these. See, this is wool, and fur of these animals is used. Yak and rabbit is used to make this kind of woolen clothes or furry clothes for winters. Okay, so this is the fur you can see, which is made from their skin after they are dead. Okay, now look at the pictures and write their names. Their skin after the death is used as leather. Leather is used for making jackets, shoes, bags, belts, and many more. So you can see the animals here: crocodile, snake, deer, and camel. Their skin is used for making leather. Okay, so it is cleaned and then processed, and then the bags and jackets are made out of their skin. Now honeybee gives us honey. They live in beehives. We get wax from also from beehives. So you can see a beehive over here. This is a beehive. This is the home of honeybees. This is a honeybee, and what it does, it sucks nectar from the flowers and collect it in the beehive. And you can see how the honey comes out if you scratch it with a spoon. If you scratch the honeybee with a spoon, you will get the honey like this. You have to squeeze it, and then you can see the blocks made in the beehive like this. So all these blocks, when you crush them, then you will get the wax. They are made out of wax. Wax means moom. जिससे candles बनती है ना, that candle wax we get from the beehives only. So honeybees give us two things: wax and honey. Okay, now we get silk from silkworms. You can see the silkworms here. Now these silkworms, what they do, just like a butterfly, the larva of the silkworm, it protects itself with the shell-like structure like this. It makes a shell-like structure around its body, which is called cocoon. Now this cocoon, you can see here, they are here in a plate. Now these cocoons are boiled in water. In hot water, you can see the steam is coming out, and then the silk starts coming out of this cocoons, and which is used to make silk sarees, silk shirts, silk scarf. Silk is very expensive because many worms get we when we boil many worms, then we get very little silk. That is why silk is very expensive. Pure silk is expensive. Now synthetic silk which is made in the factories is not expensive, but the pure silk which we get from silkworm is very expensive. Now animals that make our work easy. We keep some animals to make our work easy. He buffaloes, oxen, bullocks, camels, horses, and donkeys are some common animals that work for us. You can see here donkeys, oxen, buffalo, all doing work for us. Okay. Then animals that we keep for our entertainment and security. Now these are the pet animals. You can see we keep some animals at home for our entertainment. How they entertain us, like rabbits, dogs, parrots, all these are good for our stress, and they relieve us from stress and also entertain us. We love them and care for them. They too love us. Dogs and cats are common pets. We keep dogs in our home for our security. Some people keep birds such as parrots, ducks, or even rabbits as pets. Some fishes are kept as pets in aquariums. So fishes are also pet animals because they are kept in aquariums in the home. Okay, now there is one amazing fact given in your book. So I will read it out for you. A group of cats is called Clouder. A male cat is called a Tom. You must have seen Tom and Jerry in that male cat is there and it is called Tom. A female cat is called a Molly or Queen, while a young cat is called a kitten. So young cat is called kitten. Then dogs can, fun to learn, dogs can survive on a vegetarian diet, but cats cannot survive on a vegetarian diet. So cats always need a non-vegetarian diet. Okay, children, this is the summary that what animals give us: milk, honey, meat, leather, fur, silk, wool, eggs, security, entertainment, and help to make our world easy. That's all for today, children. That's all. Thank you. Read the chapter. See you in the next class. Till then, bye. Okay.